We're on project number 4 of the Ultimate Granny Square source book. This is what it should look like. The square's name is Jolie Fleur Square, which means pretty flower in French. And I'm hoping it'll go better than the last square that we made, because that one didn't go great. I've got my colors right here, so let's get started. This is how I'm joining my yarn. I'm just gonna pull and make sure everything is nice and tight. And then while I'm working on this, I'm just gonna weave in the ends. So that way it's just less work for later on. Is that right? Oh gosh, I'm confused. Okay, wait. I'm chaining 2 every time to start over. It didn't say to do that, but I'm doing it anyway. I think it's working out. So how right or wrong does this look? I think it's not so bad. Okay, let's try again before thinking that this doesn't look good. Wait, what? No, this is not working. Wait, I'm starting over. Okay, I think that's what I did. So I think I was right. Okay, I'm satisfied with this. Let's keep going. Maybe this is supposed to go the other way, like this. I mean, they look similar. I think I'm doing okay. Okay, good. I think I'm a little traumatized from the last square. What next? I think I'm done with one of my colors. I can cut the pink one off. And because I worked it in, I can just snip it off right towards the end. I think I can also snip off this red one. And I think all I have left is this yarn. That should work perfectly. I probably should have counted before doing that, just in case I made a mistake. You know what? It's just gonna teach me to learn to live with my mistake. That's okay. And now what I like to do in a case like this, when I've snipped off and I want to weave this in, is I start right before it. So that way when I work through the square, I'm just gonna weave this in all the way through, and that way I don't have to weave it in later. So there you go. Work smart. Make your first stitch a standing stitch. I'm not quite sure what a standing stitch is, but I've been doing like something along the lines of this, and it's been working out. No, I think this one is in the wrong spot. Oh wait, maybe it was in the right spot. This is confusing. That's row 6 done. Now I'm at row 7. I think I did something wrong again. Oh shoot. I don't know how to fix it. Oh wait. What? Is that what I'm supposed to do? I'm not sure. I took a tiny break and I did make a mistake in the row number 5, so I fixed it and now we're back. So this in theory would be the beginning of a corner. I think that works. Oh, this is working. Yes, 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 yes. That last corner is not landing quite right. Look at these 3, and then look at this one. What's wrong here? Let's go to the corner. I tried a thing. Is it working? Oh, kinda. Okay, I'm gonna keep going in the hopes that this works out. Should I do that? Probably not. I tried finishing the row 7 and I am noticing that this side right here has less stitches than the other side. But instead of starting over, because I don't want to start over, I don't think I should do start overs so often. I'm trying to fix it in the row 8, so we'll see how that goes. I think I fixed it. I think that works. I mean, it's not perfect. It's a little lopsided. I really should learn to read a pattern. I'm kind of guessing my way through, hoping that it works out, and it kind of does, but also kind of doesn't. It's so small. Let's compare to the other ones. I've got them right here. This one is pretty big, but this one is, see, this one is about the same. And this one is just huge, so let's forget these two. But look at these. This works, kinda. Once it's blocked, I'm sure it won't be so lopsided. Let's just pretend that this works. Okay. Look how nice that is, and it kind of fits with what I'm wearing today, right? I definitely prefer the more flowery squares. I find it interesting that this square has kind of a 3D effect. Like, these petals are kind of bulbous, and I'm not sure if that's on purpose. Like, in the pictures, I'm not sure if they're supposed to be that way. I'm not hating it. I'm not thrilled about it. I definitely think I made a mistake. It's a little lopsided, but that's okay. We're going to ignore that. I'm pretty happy about it, actually, and I'm excited to do the next square. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.